The first thing I noticed with the Redmi Buds 3 Lite is actually the build quality. Now the Redmi Buds 3 seem incredibly well made, and the black plastic does a nice job of reflecting fingerprints with this matte finish, and the lid actually feels surprisingly well dampened and stays open. Now here are some of the specs. They have Bluetooth 5.2, which is the newest Bluetooth connection standard. They support AAC and SBC. There's environmental noise cancellation for voice calls. They feature a gaming mode. They have 5 hours of playback and an 18-hour playback with the case. And they allow you to fast forward the track, but there is no rewind or assistant controls. If you're enjoying this initial impressions of the Redmi Buds 3 Lite, go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see in the full in-depth review, gaming test, mic test, things along those lines. And also, my name is Mitchell. I'm fluent in tech, so you don't need to me. Before we go in and talk more about the Redmi Buds 3 Lite, I want to thank Hekka for sending them out to me. If you're not familiar with Hekka, Hekka is an exporter of Chinese goods, similar to GearBest, Banggood, or other websites like that, except they offer flat rate international shipping, warehouses around the world so you could possibly get your item faster, and a 45-day return policy. So if your item is broken or damaged in shipping, you can get it returned. The lid is held open without any assistance, and the headphones seem to be held in place extremely well with magnets. Taking the headphones out of the case, and we reveal connection points which seem to lend themselves to fatiguing over time, but we're gonna have to see how they hold up with extended use. I promise I'll include their connection points in my thorough review, as it was a place that a lot of these headphones broke in the past. Now, it goes without saying that I'm really impressed with the overall build quality of these headphones. And upon my first initial listening to them with some pop music and some hip hop music, the sound is actually quite decent. Now, mids are definitely a little bit restrained and the bass seems a little bit muddied, but this could be an issue with EQ or possibly burn-in. And make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe for their full in-depth review on this channel. Peace.